Autodesk BIM Collaborate Pro is a unified platform that allows you to store and manage your projects and collaborate with other team members in a seamless process. You can easily and quickly set up project data and control user access to folders and files. Files can be moved to the platform using the drag and drop or save functions. Add plan sheets to the project that can be shared or distributed electronically. You can easily determine plan sheet numbers and tags for search options in a paperless environment. You can utilize and access external reference files that are stored securely. Team members can implement familiar workflows using real-time design file data. Data shortcuts for Civil 3D can also be created, stored, and leveraged. You can easily collaborate your design to include the required elements. File locking feature will display the files you and your team members are currently using. Compare older file versions with the current file, or compare separate design alternatives. You can also utilize and restore previous file versions by making them current. You can provide feedback and comments with the markup tools to communicate design intent throughout the lifecycle of the project. Create design issues and assign them to other project members. Keep track of all the issues and deadlines with a complete audit trail. The issues are promptly sent to the responsible parties, and once the issues have been resolved, they can be easily closed out. The Insight dashboard provides a comprehensive look at issues, submittals, and RFIs that helps you identify any critical issues. The Model Coordination dashboard can be set up to display current design models and identifies clash locations. You can create design issues at these locations to prevent any costly rework and collaborate more effectively with your entire team.